Good morning, students. Today we will read and enjoy a beautiful poem from your book Where the Mind is Without Fear. This poem was composed by Rabindranath Tagore when India was under the British rule, where freedom was daydreaming. और कोई सोच भी नहीं सकता था स्वतंत्रता के बारे में. आज़ादी तो जैसे उस समय सपना ही था. Here the poet expresses his love for his country and also speaks about his vision he has for his country and his people. It is one of the best poems from his book Gitanjali, which won the prestigious Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. This poem is written in the form of a prayer. Here Tagore prays to God to make his countrymen realize the need of freedom. टैगोर चाहता है भगवान से प्रार्थना करता है कि उसके देशवासियों के अंदर ये भावना जगाएं कि वो आजादी की कीमत को समझें और वो लड़ें. अभी उनके दिमाग में, उनके मस्तिष्क में डर भरा हुआ है. पोएट चाहता है कि वो उस डर को दूर भगाए और आजादी के लिए लड़े. लेट्स रीड एंड एंजॉय द पोएम. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Poet prays to God to make his countrymen fearless. पोएट चाहता है कि उसके कंट्रीमैन, उसके देशवासियों के दिमाग में से भय दूर हो जाए. एंड हेड इज हेल्ड हाई, और उनका जो मस्तिष्क है वो हमेशा गर्व से, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस से, डिग्निटी से, ऑनर से ऊंचा रहे. वेयर नॉलेज इज फ्री. टैगोर hopes for a nation where knowledge is free to all. There should be no restriction for getting knowledge. Knowledge should not be restricted to only upper class. Everyone can get education, whether he or she belongs to upper class, lower class, or knowledge should be right of all, irrespective of his class, color, gender or religion. नॉलेज सबको मिले. ये नहीं शिक्षा पर सिर्फ कुछ सीमित लोगों का अधिकार हो. वो किसी भी क्लास से बिलोंग करता हो, सभी का ज्ञान पर अधिकार हो. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Here the poet wishes for a nation. He dreams of a nation where the world is not broken into fragments. Fragment means parts. जहाँ ये दुनिया टुकड़ों में ना बटे हो. और वो टुकड़े किस कारण हुए? नैरो डोमेस्टिक वॉल्स. नैरो डोमेस्टिक वॉल्स मीन डिवीजन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रिलीजन, कलर, क्लास, कास्ट, etc. So here the poet wishes for a world which is not divided into parts. There should be no discrimination. All the people of the world live in unity. Where words come out from the depth of truth. Tagore wishes for a nation where all the people are truthful. जहाँ सभी लोग सच बोलें. And truth comes out from the core of their heart. No one should lie for his or her own sake, for his or her own advantage. Where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection. Tireless striving means continuous efforts and struggle, and stretches its arms means aim at achieving goal. Here Tagore wishes his countrymen to work hard. He prays to God to make his countrymen work continuously, struggling to achieve the goal, to achieve perfection, which means the freedom of their country. Tagore wants his countrymen to be hardworking and open-minded so that they can fight against the Britishers. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit. Clear stream of reason means clear thinking or logical thinking, and dead habits means evils of society, the outdated traditions of society which are harmful for us. Here the poet wants that we should think logically. Here in India, we are blindly believing superstitions. We are blindly following the old traditions like sati system, dowry system, and untouchability. So the poet wants his countrymen to think logically and leave all these customs. Where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action. Thee means you, as the poet is here addressing to God. So here thee refers to God. Here the poet prays to God to guide his countrymen, to support his countrymen, and so that they can work hard, they can struggle to attain freedoms. They can fight against Britishers to attain freedom. Into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. Here the poet is referring freedom to heaven, and this heaven can only be achieved. We can reach this heaven only with the support of God. And so Tagore here prays to God to make his countrymen awake, to awake his countrymen so that they can realize the importance of freedom, to make their head fearless, so that their countrymen continuously work hard against Britishers and attain freedom. Thank you. I hope you have understood this poem.